Hello, hello, hello. Here we are back again with a Shoe Snob unboxing video, one take wonder series. Gonna do something very different here. If you saw my watch strap unboxing video, you'll start to see that I have more people wanting to market leather goods in general, which I'm fine with because I've written about 1 million shoemakers, so every now and then it's nice to switch it up and talk about other things that I actually also like. And being that it's leather and it all ties into, in my opinion, shoes and the accessories that go along with shoes, and sometimes it's nice to match your watch band to your shoe. For me, it all plays. Also, because I like promoting things that I like, because I think we should support each other and the companies that we enjoy. So here we have something different. Now, this is going to be a unique video because I'm going to try to edit it, and because the thing that I want to show is not the same as size as a shoe, so it's not as easy to show you myself talking as well as the products. So I hope this turns out great, and thank you as always for tuning in to bear with me and my teaching of myself, video editing and videos in general. But let's take a look. So the company at hand is Rotary, and by the size of the box you might have guessed that this is a watch company. So Rotary comes from England. I was first introduced to them many years ago while living there, as I was looking for some watches to buy, and I came across them. I loved the style, the design, the fact that they had automatic pieces at very reasonable prices, because I'm not rich, I can't buy Pateks and whatnot, so but I like to have variations and variety and stuff like that, so I like to have more than one. I'm not the guy that just wears the same watch every day, as you can imagine, as I don't wear the same shoe even once within a month most of the time. So I've, over the years, acquired many. I've enjoyed them. I started tagging them and they took notice. So they were kind enough to send me a watch for review, and at the same time I took advantage of this opportunity to buy 2 more within the same collection that I actually really wanted. So I kind of spoiled myself with this, and I ended up getting 3 watches here that I want to show all of you because I think they're amazing timepieces, watches, product for a value for money. And I know there's lots of guys out there like me that like a certain look. I love leather bands and those kind of skeleton or classic simple dial watches. But I can't afford a $10,000 watch. So what are the options? Rotary is one of them. So let's take a look, and here we go. We're gonna look at watch 1. The first piece here is the one that they offered me. Beautiful piece. I think what I really love most is the color of that band. It's a beautiful navy. It's not an actual real alligator, it's a print, but which I don't mind. But beautiful, beautiful watch. Beautiful color band. Definitely find a way to incorporate this into my wardrobe. Won't be difficult. Just won't be wearing my gold bracelet with it is all. So there are 3 pieces to this collection that I actually acquired. I believe they have way more. I don't really wear metal bands. So the first one they offered me is the one that I showed you. I don't wear as much silver, but I love the blue strap. I'm more of a gold or brass, I mean anything in that kind of color realm, gold-ish type guy. I don't even like platinum really, or any of that kind of silvery stuff, at least not in my as far as jewelry goes. It's not really my thing. I will wear it for sure, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not opposed to it. I just stick towards gold. So the other 2 watches that I have are with gold faces, both in a black and a brown strap. So let's take a look at the black version now. And now the black. Wow, the black is beautiful. It's so classic. Nice band. I love Rotary's little, I don't even know what you call these, but the little clasp strap holders for the longer strap. Sometimes I feel like I just forget words. But anyway, beautiful piece. This is a real beauty for me. I just love how the rose, I mean, I think this is a type of rose gold, but I love how it shines against the black leather. Find it very elegant in my opinion. I know some people don't like gold looks and they do prefer silver, but I'm definitely a gold guy. And yeah, lovely piece. Nice thick strap. I know you hear me talking about the straps in Rotary. This one actually looks like it's going to hold the test of time, which is nice because again, I'm not so delicate. And this looks like a nice, elegant yet robust watch, which is great. The black for me is just classic. I wear a lot of black. And so it's easy to just, as you can see, it's easy for me to just pair. I love the look of this watch. I love the shape of the watch. It's got a great shape. It's unique. I love the clasp of the band as well, how it's kind of, how to put it, it's like the same width as the end of the watch. So it's just slightly unique, and it's kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This octagonal shape. I believe that's 8. Yeah, hold on. I'm going crazy here. Yeah, octagonal shape, which is unique. I really like that. Most watches are round, as we all know. And so, yeah, I'm going to thoroughly enjoy the black one, as I tend to wear probably black watches more often than anything. And now let's take a look at the third watch. Here is the brown version, dark brown. Again, beautiful alligator print, but I really love this face. Lovely skeleton face, but not super skeleton in the sense you completely see through. It has the little dashes there to indicate where the numbers are. So 1, 2, 3, you know the drill. But anyway, lovely piece. Now, I don't mean this as a negative. For me, it's a compliment, but the Rotary watches just look way more expensive than they actually are. I believe they sell this for just shy of $500, but it looks like a $20,000 watch. In my humble opinion, again, I am not a watch expert, just a shoe expert, but I am definitely a watch lover, appreciator. So yeah, look at the details there. Beautiful. So the brown one, again, super classic for me. Dark brown strap is very easy to pair. Even if you're not wearing dark brown shoes, you could be wearing burgundy shoes. It's a very simple color to incorporate into your outfit. I love leather bands on watches. I love the Rotary brand as a company. They're very kind in their customer service. They are based in England, so to get them from America or outside of England, you tend to just have to purchase online. But again, nice people, good company, and the reality is, what I like about them is I see them ache into kind of my own footwear. If you're trying to say, are they the best watch in the world? Probably not, but are they a great watch for value for money? For sure. Again, I've been wearing them, I think, for like, I don't know, 7, 8 years now, and I still have my first one, automatic, goes great. I think I've had to take it in one time just because like a little, the Roman numeral pieces fell off. But again, I'm not that delicate of a guy. I'm hitting my watch all the time on stuff. So it's probably my own fault because I'm not here prancing around trying to be extra careful. I'm getting rough and dirty in my shop, handling shoes, carrying boxes, climbing ladders, the whole shebang. So for only having to fix one thing after 8 years, I think that's pretty solid. I won't lie. The one downside I see is the watch straps, I tend to go through those relatively quick. But these ones actually seem a lot thicker, which is nicer. I think these ones are gonna last longer. But on most of the traditional rotary watches that I've had, the watch straps have just gotten on me fairly quickly. But I don't really mind that. Again, you have to judge what you're paying for. You can't have the greatest watch in the world and last you forever. This doesn't exist, you know, not for this price point. Everything is relative. So the watch quality as far as the timepiece is concerned is great. The bands are nice, but be prepared to replace it. And that's fine, because then I get to put something unique on it, like a carpincho watch strap or a shark skin or whatever. It could be just another calf skin. But yeah, I just wanted to give that kind of reality. So anyway, the series of this watch is called the Regent series. I really like it. I like its octagonal shape. I like the faces. I like how some are classic, some you see all the way through. Forgive me, I'm not, you know, a watch blogger, so I don't know all the terminology. But I like the, you know, skeleton face on the brown. You have the classic face on the black and the blue, and it's a beautiful piece. And you know, if you are a guy that likes metal watch bands, of course they have that option too. But I'm not that guy. I like my leathers, like my leather ones, and yeah. A great brand. If you like watches, I definitely suggest you check out Rotary. Let me just show you that name again. Rotary. They make great stuff. I've never been disappointed. Again, when you're practical and you judge up what you're spending versus what you're getting, it's easy to actually be happy and not be let down, because you know, not everything is made to last forever. It's even I'm sure Patek Philippe watch straps I'd probably destroy just because of my nature as a person. And you know, that's relative to all leather goods in general. Nothing is bulletproof, you know, nothing is wear-proof, just doesn't exist. But as far as automatic watches for price and value, they're among the best in my opinion, and I've been always really happy, and I will continue to support their company, even purchasing, as I did purchase 2 of these. And definitely have a look. I hope you've enjoyed something slightly different here. Still trying to get better and better. Excuse the work phone ringing loudly over there. As I'm trying to get better and better with doing videos and whatnot. I'm older than I look, so I'm a product of the prior to the internet social media phase, so I'm not the greatest and brightest when it comes to video editing and whatnot and all of that, but I'm doing my best. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. You know, as long as people keep sending me things that are unique, I'll keep trying to do different, not just shoes. You know, I may be called the shoe snob, but I love all things that are related to menswear. So anyway, and I love spreading good companies and, you know, trying to create new content and supporting good companies. So definitely check Rotary out. Thanks as always for tuning in. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back for more, and I hope you will be too. Take care.